As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how the right tools can make or break a project. In today's dynamic work environment, it's rare for teams to rely on a single application. We juggle emails, documents, communication platforms, and data analysis tools, often wishing these separate islands could somehow connect and share information seamlessly. This is where the power of integration comes into play, and Smartsheet stands out as a platform that truly understands this need. For those new to project management or looking to enhance their workflow, understanding how Smartsheet integrates with other applications is crucial. It's not just about convenience. It's about creating a more efficient, transparent, and ultimately successful project lifecycle. Think of Smartsheet as your central project hub, capable of communicating and exchanging data with the other essential tools you use daily. This eliminates the tedious manual data entry, reduces the risk of errors, and provides a holistic view of your project's progress. Let's delve into the impressive array of tools that Smartsheet seamlessly integrates with, categorized for better understanding. 1. Communication and collaboration powerhouses. In the realm of project management, effective communication is paramount. Smartsheet recognizes this and integrates seamlessly with leading communication and collaboration platforms. Microsoft Teams. Imagine receiving real-time updates on task assignments, deadlines, and project progress directly within your Teams channels. Smartsheet's integration with Teams allows for just that. You can create and manage Smartsheet items, receive notifications, and even have interactive bots that provide quick project summaries, all without leaving your primary communication hub. This fosters better team alignment and keeps everyone in the loop. For instance, when a critical task is marked as complete in Smartsheet, an automatic notification can be sent to the relevant Teams channel, ensuring immediate visibility. Slack. Similar to its integration with Microsoft Teams, Smartsheet's connection with Slack brings project updates and collaboration directly into your Slack workspaces. You can receive alerts about changes, approvals, and deadlines, and even take quick actions on Smartsheet tasks from within Slack. This is particularly useful for teams that heavily rely on Slack for their daily communication, ensuring that project information is readily accessible within their familiar environment. Imagine a project team using a dedicated Slack channel. The Smartsheet integration can post daily progress summaries, highlight overdue tasks, or notify team members of new assignments directly within this channel. Google Workspace, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, 4 teams deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem. Smartsheet offers robust integrations. Connecting Smartsheet with Gmail allows you to easily send and receive project-related emails and even create Smartsheet rows directly from emails. The Google Calendar integration helps you visualize project deadlines and milestones in your calendar, ensuring you never miss a critical date. Furthermore, the Google Drive integration enables seamless storage and linking of project documents directly within your Smartsheet sheets, providing a centralized repository for all project-related files. For example, you can attach a project proposal stored in Google Drive directly to the relevant Smartsheet row for easy access by the team. 2. Data visualization and analytics tools. Understanding project data is crucial for informed decision-making. Smartsheet integrates with powerful data visualization and analytics tools to help you gain valuable insights. Tableau. For in-depth data analysis and the creation of sophisticated dashboards, Smartsheet's integration with Tableau is a game-changer. You can connect your Smartsheet data directly to Tableau to build interactive visualizations, identify trends, and gain a deeper understanding of your project's performance. This allows project managers and stakeholders to move beyond simple spreadsheets and explore project data in a more meaningful way. For instance, you can use Tableau to create a dashboard that tracks budget versus actual spending, resource allocation, and task completion rates based on your Smartsheet data. Microsoft Power BI. Similar to Tableau, Power BI offers powerful data visualization and business intelligence capabilities. Integrating Smartsheet with Power BI allows you to connect your project data and create insightful reports and dashboards. This empowers you to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, identify potential bottlenecks, and communicate project progress effectively with stakeholders through visually appealing reports. Imagine creating a Power BI report that shows the progress of different project phases, highlighting any potential delays or resource constraints based on the data in your Smartsheet. 3. Productivity and automation enhancers. Boosting productivity and automating repetitive tasks is key to efficient project management. Smartsheet integrates with various tools to help you achieve this. Zapier. Zapier acts as a bridge between thousands of different applications, and its integration with Smartsheet opens up a world of automation possibilities. You can create automated workflows called zaps that trigger actions in other apps based on events in Smartsheet and vice versa. For example, you can automatically create a new task in Smartsheet when a new lead is added to your CRM system, or automatically send an email notification when a task deadline is approaching. Automate.io. Similar to Zapier, Automate.io provides a platform for creating automated workflows between different applications. Integrating Smartsheet with Automate.io allows you to streamline processes, eliminate manual data entry, and improve overall efficiency. You can automate tasks like updating other systems when a Smartsheet row is updated, or creating new Smartsheet rows based on activity in other applications. 4. CRM and sales management systems. For projects that are closely tied to sales and customer relationship management, Smartsheet offers integrations with leading CRM systems. Salesforce. Integrating Smartsheet with Salesforce allows for seamless data flow between your project management activities and your sales processes. You can track project progress related to specific sales opportunities, manage client-related tasks, and ensure that project delivery aligns with customer expectations. For example, when a sales opportunity in Salesforce reaches a certain stage, a corresponding project can be automatically created in Smartsheet. 5. Developer and API integrations. For organizations with specific needs and technical expertise, Smartsheet offers robust API, application programming interface, capabilities. This allows developers to build custom integrations with virtually any other application, extending the functionality of Smartsheet to meet unique organizational requirements. This opens up endless possibilities for tailored solutions and seamless data exchange with proprietary or niche software.